Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the quickest way via the secret code. We have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with this pop-out window, and at the very bottom of it, we've got the serial number of this device. So let me tap on OK, and let me show you another way through the settings. It may be a little bit longer, however, it's still useful, especially in the situation when you will forget about the secret code or something like that. So let's enter the settings, and here in this left section, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about tablet. As you can see, I've got it here, but just tap on it, and on the right section, you should have those information. And as you can see in this kind of highlighted section, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.